Hi, I'm Chef Raphael. Welcome to today's video. Today, once again, I'm in the outdoors, I'm at home, I'm grilling, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious grilled liver. Now, it's super simple recipe. By the way, the recipe will be available on Pi Me app. So download the app, and more about that within the video. So I'll post that recipe, but on this video, you'll actually learn the process that I've used to grill this liver from start to finish. Even if you're not grilling, you can actually still pan fry it using the same procedure, and you'll still get almost the same results. There's a difference between a pan, so it will not be exactly the same, but if you follow the procedure the way I put it out, it will be perfect. Now, if I taste the piece, wow, to be honest, I didn't expect that. I can taste the rosemary because I've put rosemary in it. It's nice and juicy and perfect with the ugali and greens that I've served. Enough of the tasting. Watch the video till the end and let's get cooking. So now for the ingredients, I want to make it really simple. What I have here is a slice of liver. This is the beef one. So 3 slices. And mind you, whatever I'm going to show you, you can actually do it on a pan. You don't have to do it on the grill, but you can actually do it on the pan. So the first thing you want to do is just salt and pepper. So not too much salt, like that. A sprinkle of rosemary. Small, not too much, but a small sprinkle of rosemary, like that. And then black pepper. So this will actually cook very fast. And a sprinkling of oil. So what I'll do with the oil, just sprinkle a little bit like that. You definitely need oil whenever you're cooking and grilling. And then my grill is already hot, so the side that I've actually seasoned is what I'll put. Will cook first. And you want to hear that sizzle. Same thing even when you're cooking on a pan. You want to make sure that the pan, or in this case the grill, is hot. So I'm also going to season this other side same way. Liver does not take time to cook, so now I'm going to cover it, wait for the first side to cook, which should take about 2 minutes, even 2 minutes on the higher side. All I need to do is just check on the side. So how you know it's actually cooked is you actually see from down here it started to change color. I don't want it to be too well done, so this color will start changing until it's halfway done, and then I'll turn it to the other side. You know it's time to turn it when you start seeing liquid coming out on top like this. So I'm going to turn it. Almost forgot a little bit of oil. I've not placed. So a little bit of sprinkling of oil on this side as well. And then turn it. Now to this, what I want to add is a little bit of marinade. So this is something that you can make in advance. So what's in here is chili flakes, some black pepper, soy sauce is the dark one that you're seeing, and cooking oil. And then I'm using a rosemary to brush it. So this one I'm doing it right now. And it's also optional. You can actually even use it to marinate the liver before cooking it. That's it. So once the other side is cooked, I'll also apply the same thing on the other side, and the liver is almost ready. So now this is the second side. Basting it just before serving. So that's it. So now it's ready to serve. What I have here on the side, what I have to serve it with is some ugali and some greens, and I know it's gonna be yummy. And that's it. So that's the whole meal, served with ugali, some greens. Now the trick about cooking liver, it's all about timing. You should not cook for too long. So it actually took, for these slices, took about 4 or 5 minutes to cook on both sides. So that's how long it needs to cook. If it's a little bit red or pink on the inside, that's nothing wrong with it. And because when it's completely cooked, it will be dry, it will be not so tasty. So that's it. I hope you've learned something new. I'll actually be putting the recipe for this liver recipe, including the marinade that I used, on the Pie Me app. So download the app and follow me. When you follow me, you'll see all the recipes that I've shared previously, and you also get to learn from other food lovers within that community, the Pie Me community. It's like a social media app only for food lovers. Hope you've learned something new, and until next time, goodbye.